Hi everyone, you all are welcome to my channel. So if it's your first time watching this video or if you're new to my channel, my name is Blessing Chamaka, and to my old subscribers, thank you so much for sticking around with me on my YouTube channel. Okay guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to decorate a children character cake. You can see how beautiful this Power Rangers cake is looking. So you didn't want to watch, you didn't want to see how I got to achieve this beautiful cake, then you definitely need to keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, you all are welcome once again. Like I said from the introduction of this video, I'll be teaching you all how I normally decorate my cakes. Let us say children cakes using whipped cream. So this is it here. I have 3 layers of cake, which is the chocolate cake and then vanilla cake. So this is it here. If you can see this from this video, you can see I'm actually applying my fillings. I used the filling I used for this video is actually a Oreo's buttercream filling for this cake, and of course I actually topped it with a caramel sauce. So you can imagine how this cake is gonna be tasting. Just imagine this caramel sauce. It's so lush, it's so beautiful. So if you really want to learn this, you really want to get the recipe of this caramel sauce, then you need to let me know in the comment section. Okay, so and the next filling I'm actually using here is a silky buttercream, which is what you're actually seeing now, and then I topped it with another caramel sauce on it. So I actually really enjoyed decorating this cake. I actually really enjoyed filming this cake for you all, and I hope that you're gonna learn 1 or 2 things from this. So I'm actually putting on the third layer, which is the chocolate flavored cake, and then I'm trying to make sure that it's well balanced. And of course, when you're doing this, you need to make sure you stack your cake, more like using a dowel rod, a kebab stick to so that it can actually hold the cake, hold the cake properly. And then I'm actually frosting the cake using a whipped cream frosting. Yes, so whenever I'm always trying to decorate my cakes, I always use I prefer to do the first coating. First coating means more like applying a light frosting on the body of the cake, so as for you to achieve a clean beautiful cake at the end of the whole thing. So if you're watching this video right now, you need to understand that the first thing when you're trying to ice a cake or decorate a cake, especially for the beginners, you need to understand that firstly, crumb coat your cake. Give the cake a light crumb coating. Okay, make sure you crumb coat the cake properly, giving it a light frosting, and then you give it a smoothing by smoothing the cake so that everything can be well incorporated, right? So that's what I'm actually trying to do in this video. Don't you forget, I used a whipped cream frosting to cover this cake. So by the time I'm done with this part, I'm going to actually put it in the freezer for it to chill off, and then I'll apply my my next frosting. Do you understand, guys? So that is what I'm actually doing right now. Like I said, the first coating, which is what I'm doing right now, before I move to the other to the second coating, which is the final coat. So this is one simple trick you can use to achieve a smooth and beautiful cake. So even if you're using a buttercream, do you understand? Even if you're using a buttercream or a butter icing, you need to understand that first coating is very important. There are some people whereby they are very used to that they don't really do first coating because they feel like, okay, they just like it like that. But for me, I always prefer to do the first coating. Do you understand? I prefer to do the first coating before I apply the final coat. So I hope you understand this aspect, guys. If you have any question, you can actually drop it in the comment section, and I will gladly guess what, guys, I will gladly answer it for you. Okay, now just like what I said before, the first coating and the second coating. So now this is the second coating. I'm using a blue to achieve a blue color to achieve the final coat, because I actually wanted to use a blue to ice this cake for my customer. So now the thing is, I'm sure many of you be wondering how I got to apply or how I got to achieve a colored whipped cream. It's very easy, you just need to make sure that before you first your whipping cream, just probably if you have any color of your choice, all you need to add color into your whipped cream, and then you whip it up using your balloon wicks. You whip it until you achieve your desired color. Okay. I'm sure most of you be wondering you need a recipe for the whipped cream. No problem. If you want to just drop your comment, just let me know in the comment section now, and I'll definitely go through it and see how to go about it. Okay, guys. So I hope you're actually enjoying this video, and if you do, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Please click on the subscribe button to get more videos from my channel, and of course like this video. Please like this video, guys. Like the video and share it to your friends, share it to your different kind of group, so that they can actually learn one or two things from it. Okay, please do not forget, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, come on, why? So just click on the subscribe button. Okay, guys. So here we go. I'm almost done decorating the cake. You can see how I'm trying to apply some cream on the body of the cake. The thing about cake decorating is you just need to understand what works for you, understand the tricks. Okay, so the tricks to whipping cream is if your whipping cream is really stabilized, I'm sure you're not going to have any issues with it. Okay, so in this part, I think I'm almost done decorating the cake. I'm actually trying to use my scraper to give it a light or to give it a light and clean cake smoothing or something. So I hope you got this aspect in this video. So guys, sit back and relax, or sit back and enjoy watching this video. And if you have any question, please kindly drop it in the comment section, and I will gladly or definitely answer it for you. Okay, guys. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video from the starting to the end. I hope it's worth your time. Yeah, I believe so, because for me, I actually enjoyed filming this cake for you all, and I totally enjoyed how colorful it's looking. I love the blue color. I love the gold leaf. That gold stuff you're seeing on the cake is actually called a gold leaf. So I love the toppers. I love the Power Rangers toppers. I love how it's looking. I love everything about this cake. It's so detailed. I love the white chocolates, and I so much love the drip, guys. You can just take a look to see how it's looking. I love the drips. So I actually use a white chocolate to achieve this drip. So guys, I love everything about this cake because it's so colorful, it's so beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video from beginning to the end. I hope it's worth your time. Kindly like this video and subscribe to it, guys. Thank you so much.